Welcome, here I've got Nubia Z9 Max and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the left corner here. And as you can see, it gives us access to a lot of options to manage. And one of these is the picture size button. So when we tap on this, we can pick the preferred one size of our picture. And as you can see, for example, I'm going to pick for now 4 megapixels. So this is how it works and changes here, 8 megapixels and 3 megapixels. So this is how it works. Of course, I suggest you to keep turning it on the best possible quality, which is 16 megapixels. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.